Hello Russian learners! Welcome to the Russian course for beginners by ARusPro. If you are a complete beginner at learning Russian, this course will help you start with the right foot. There are a lot of self-study Russian courses on the internet, and most of them just teach you phrases without explaining how the language system works. It's okay to learn phrases if you have a short-term goal, for example, a short trip to Russia. But if you really want to start speaking the language fluently, you will need to build a live neural network in your brain. Learning random phrases with no breakdown into words and grammar analysis exploits your memory resources hard. Your brain sees these foreign combinations of sounds as aliens that do not fit into the already stable neural network of your native language. Your brain tends to forget randomly learned phrases quickly because it tends to get rid of everything alien. Our course will help you lay a solid foundation for a new neural network in your brain, the Russian language network. It is done by using the following method. The right sequence of grammar material is enriched with vocabulary at each step. Imagine assembling an artificial Christmas tree. You start from the bottom with putting down the first part of the stand. Then you add the branches. Then you attach another part of the stand, and again you attach the branches to it. You repeat this action multiple times and go from the bottom to the top of the tree. We do the same when we teach you Russian. We take a grammar rule or concept, imagine that it's the bottom part of the stand. We study it on the necessary amount of vocabulary until the grammatical structures are firmly installed in your brain. Then we enrich them with more vocabulary, the branches, and then we move on to the next grammatical concept, the next part of the stand. You can't build a Christmas tree without the stand. The branches will fall apart. But without the branches, a bare stand wouldn't look like a Christmas tree. So you need both grammar and vocabulary. But you need to assemble the tree the right way, from bottom to top, from the simplest, most basic grammar constructions to more complex ones, adding vocabulary at each step. It's obvious that you can't start building a Christmas tree from top or from the middle. The same way, you can't start learning the Russian language from complex grammatical structures. The neural network is not going to be built this way. That is why our course goes in the right direction, from bottom to top. We use the correct sequence of grammar topics and enrich them with vocabulary. This sequence was carefully crystallized out of many years of my experience working with students, more than 7,000 hours of lessons, and the experience of my fellow teachers. We calibrated this sequence so that it became the most optimal path of learning Russian as a foreign language and building the Russian neural network in your brain. Each grammar topic is broken down and explained thoroughly. When we introduce each part of the stand, each grammar topic, we give a profound explanation of it. That is, we explain what meaning it has for native Russian speakers, what they see with their inner vision when they use any given grammar concept. Understanding of each grammar concept is reinforced with a large number of examples in Russian. After we explain a grammar concept, we give a lot of example dialogues where this concept gets effectuated. While listening to and repeating the dialogues and hearing their literal translation, you make your brain get used to the Russian way of saying things, thus building a new Russian language neural network. Making your own dialogues with the structures that have been presented to you will help them sink in. When you've understood the grammar material that has been illustrated, and then you use it in your own examples, especially if you use them in a real-time conversation, you burn strong synapses through your brain. And so later you can freely use this grammar in your spontaneous conversation. When grammar structure is burned into your neural network. It is alive, and you can be free and flexible in expressing your thoughts, and not tied to rigid and dead phrases from a phrasebook. Thanks to the step-by-step method described above, you don't waste your time trying to fit alien elements into the network of your native language. You start growing your own Russian language network, your beautiful Christmas tree that will allow you to speak on the fly. After you finish this beginner's course, the best way to continue will be to take lessons with a teacher. As your Christmas tree grows higher, the grammatical structures will become more complex, and it will become more and more difficult to explain them in a self-study course format. Lessons with a teacher, however, will give you the necessary amount of feedback to install safely all the grammatical structures into your Russian language neural network. If you're still in doubt, just watch any of my grammar videos on YouTube. You'll see that I am the teacher who can and will take you to the Russian proficiency. See you in the course.